Hey everybody, in this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you use SecureSpend prepaid Visa gift card online. To use the SecureSpend prepaid Visa gift card online, you'll need to provide your card number, expiry date, and then the CVV code during a checkout. So what you have to do is here, many Visa gift cards are activated upon purchase and ready to use, but some may require activations via a sticker or phone number as well. Now, when making an online purchase, you'll need to enter your SecureSpend card details, that is 16-digit card number, expiry date, and then the CVV card in an appropriate field during the checkout. Then you could check your SecureSpend card balance online or through the CardSpend website as well. Even if there is no balance left, you want to keep a SecureSpend card for potential returns. And if a purchase exceeds your balance, you may be able to use a second payment method. However, you must notify that the merchant beforehand and verify they accept split payments as well. Likewise, if your SecureSpend card is declined, it could be due to the insufficient fund or incorrect informations or other reasons as well. If you're having trouble, you could contact the support team. They will be able to help you out. So this is how you could use SecureSpend prepaid Visa gift card online. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.